Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that when you just open your WhatsApp and they're saying that your account can not longer use WhatsApp right now. So just like a pop-up of your WhatsApp. So how you can resolve that? And it seems like that your WhatsApp is banned. So I'm gonna tell you that your WhatsApp is not gonna ban. So it's technical error in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So how you can resolve that? Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you just sign in with your Apple ID, and also make sure that you just have the strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. And after that, simply just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back, again back, and just simply search of in the setting of your WhatsApp, just like that. Sorry, I just type wrong, and see that it's showing WhatsApp. Just tap on that and you see that you just have just full access of your contact, photos, everything. And if you have to just add a face ID, simply just tap on that tool. After that, simply just scroll down and you see that there is an option of a mobile data and also background app refresh. Simply just tap on that. If you see that it's not on it on, so don't worry, it's on that iPhone, so you don't have to do that. Simply just go back, again back, and simply just go to the WhatsApp, just like that, and you just have to tap on that and just remove the app from here. After removing the app and again install it from the app store, simply just go to the app store and just search your WhatsApp, just like that. Just go to the search section and just search WhatsApp, and to make sure that it's updated or not before going to delete. So it's showing that you just have it open, so I'm going to delete that and again on it and again install it. And after installing, you just have to just type your numbers. If your problem not going to solve, simply just go to the Safari and just contact the support team of your WhatsApp. Simply just go back and just simply search a WhatsApp support contact, something like that, and just go that contact WhatsApp. And you see that they require my phone number, my email address. You just have to just input all of that related to your WhatsApp. So make sure that your number is correct, which your WhatsApp is right now banned, and also email address of your backup, like that. So you just have to just input the email, and also select the device. So you have to just select the device of your iPhone if you have a problem in the iPhone, if you have a problem in the web store, just like that. And just have to please enter your message below to tell them that why WhatsApp is gonna ban, which you activity doing. If you don't do anything, simply just tell them that didn't don't do anything. Simply just go to the next step and just have to just input that data and just go to next step and just agree the agreements. Simply just like that, and they're gonna tell you the problem and they're gonna try to resolve the problem in 1 to 2 days. Maybe it's required the half of the day, and your problem gonna solve. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.